What's going on, you guys? So this video I'm gonna be installing my Caltracs that I bought, and gonna kind of show you guys the process in and out. I don't have my GoPro charged up, so I'm just doing this from the phone, and I'll show you little clips as I go. So hope you enjoy. Let's see if we could get it out smoothly. All right, so I already have the wheels off. I'm gonna be putting the jack stands underneath the frame of the car and lifting up the rear end with the jack. And next step is gonna be removing the shocks so that those are out of the way, and then taking off. These are the assassin bar that I had before. However, I was gonna put them on. They do require you to drill a hole through here, which I'm not gonna do. So I bought the Caltrac bars to help me out, and well, it's kind of where we're at. So all right, so I'm cheating. I have an Impact, one of the new guns from Snap-on, and this is a 9/16. Let's see, next step is gonna be loosening these, and they're 7/16. If you could see, that barely gets on there. I'm gonna see if I can impact it and see what happens. This is a success here. I already kind of gave it, that doesn't work, test run. And that was able to knock this loose. And yeah, I did torque him, so that's awesome. Just for S&Gs, show you the other side. All right, you guys, kind of cheated. It's really hard to record with my phone. So what I ended up doing was the driver's side. I got the driver's side done. It's in. I haven't torqued down the U-bolts yet, so they're still loose. I'm actually gonna put both sides in and kind of sequence it. Make sure I'm gonna make sure those are both, you know, tightened correctly. You want to go evenly front to back on each side. My problem I'm having here is this axle that I'm using is out of a truck, and if you could see, there's a little, well, that's from something else. I don't remember what that was from. I think I was cutting off welds, but it's actually, I think 3 1/4, maybe 3 1/2 diameter on this side of the perch, and 3 inches on this side. So when I put the I'm not sure what this plate is called, underneath the springs, I did remember having a hard time putting them on, because this side of the U-bolts is literally spread wider across the thicker, the wider diameter part of the axle here. So it's kind of a hard process to get it in, and that's why I was having a hard time recording and doing that side, but I got it in. As you can see, I still have to tighten the front. That side's still loose. I just have it in. So now I was just bringing you guys to update you This is how I had it in. I dropped the front perch, the spring perch, and let's see, here it is. I believe this is a 1/2-inch bolt. Well, this one isn't greased like the other side was. This side had a lot more anti-seize than this. This is how I took it off now. Since these springs are already Caltrac split monos, they already come with the bushings pressed in, and all I'm doing is putting the new Caltracs on. Actually, let me get the rest of this. But here's the rest of what I'm going to be putting on. So the instructions, let me get the instructions. All right, instructions. Side note, this is one of the nicest instruction manuals that I've gotten. While they don't have all the torque specs, every car is different. I have 1/2-inch U-bolts, some have 7/16, 9/16. You have to look up your, manufacturer's recommendations. That's on you guys. So I understand there's not going to be all the specifications, since this does fit a lot of different vehicles, Nova, Camaro, Venturas, maybe more. What I found, the 3 front bolts on the perch is around 25 foot-pounds. The front bolt, depending on what size you have, mine is a 1/2-inch fine thread. It's about 50, 45 to I think 75. Torquing it down at 50. Has a lock washer. I'm not worried about that. And then the U-bolts, again, go per the manufacturer specs on that. However, these instructions, wow. Don't remember the last time that I got a color instruction booklet, and on top just really awesome pictures and details. So there's no way you guys could screw this up. So what I'm going to be doing, these are the old Assassin not spring perches, plates, the what goes underneath. Wow, I'm having a brain fart there. I'll tag it. However, before I go to put this on, I'm going to loosen that so I could slide this over. I'm going to put the bar on separate, kind of like I did there, so I'm not dragging it and scratching this bar. But I have ARP lube that I need to clean up because I was scooting it around. So I'll clean this off, squeeze out some to make sure there's no debris, and then I'm going to lubricate the bolt as well after I clean it and make sure there's nice and free, no grease. It does say to put grease here or anti-seize. Big fan of the ARP. I have a new one too, but this is still good. Just gotta clean it. And so yeah, here I am now. I'm gonna see if I could post you guys up so you can see me do the install. Let's get it.